Meanwhile, the leader of opposition business in the Senate, Donna Scott Motley, is rejecting an apology by leader of government business, Kamina Johnson-Smith, to Senator Dr. Floyd Morris in the House yesterday. More on how the issue unfolded in this report. Like his opposition counterparts, Dr. Floyd Morris expressed concern about what was being deemed as the rush to pass the National Identification Bill.
There is a 23-page document that has been circulated. Further amendments to those amendments are being circulated. And this is on top of the various other amendments that were tabled before. And it is very difficult for me to follow it just like that on the floor of.
But it was the response of the leader of government business in the Senate which caused a stir in the House. Mrs. Kamina Johnson-Smith began by stating that she never intended to breach the privilege, adding that she would have gone through the changes prior to the proceedings. And then she said this.
And Senator Morris, you know, having recently completed your PhD and having also written your autobiography, no, I hesitate to think that it would be too much to ask for us to work through.
Point of order.
No, I'm on my feet and this is, I'm responding to the motion.
Point of order, Mr. President. Point of order.
Something you've recognized?
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I think it's really out of place for the leader to say something like that. The member has raised a personal privilege which in his mind has been abused by the operation. Now, it is immaterial whether or not he has just completed his PhD and whether or not it is difficult for him to reconcile the amendment. It is of no moment.
Take objection to the reference because I can't understand what relevance or what moment does the issue of my PhD have to do with the list of amendments that are there.
I withdraw if any offense was caused. That was not my intention. I really just wanted to express it's not a complicated set of amendments that have been proposed, and I don't think it would be a difficult thing for us to be able to manipulate the document.
But speaking to our news center Saturday, leader of opposition business in the Senate, Donna Scott Motley, says she does not accept Senator Johnson-Smith's apology. She says she'll be writing to Prime Minister Andrew Holness about the issue.